This video is just going to be a look at. These are pins for different options, lawnmowers, clip-on things, just different uses. I purchased a, I think they come in different, yeah, there's 3 different types of versions, small, medium, and large it looks like. These are pins I'm going to use to pull my trailers, my carts on my lawnmower. I'll have this at the end. This is just going to be a look at, since I find that sometimes it's very difficult to get an idea of the product on Amazon with the pictures that they show. So it's a 20-piece set. It comes like this. And let's open each one up. So there's 5 of these. Ten of these small ones. 5 of the big ones, which I'll probably be using the most. You can go to the website on the link below, or the Amazon page, and it'll tell you all the details in regards to the strength of these things. I just use them because it's nice to have them around when you need them. So let's do the different measurements. The small one. Well, the medium size, I should say. These are the tiny ones. There's 10 of those. And then the large ones. So these are the ones I'm going to be using the most. Unclip it like that. And that's sort of the cotter pin. I guess I could remove that if I want. I don't have to have it on there. I'm going to try doing that in a minute. But this is the standard one that I use. And it's not as thick. But I think, I'm not going to haul truckloads of things with this. So this should work just fine. Perfect. But I'll probably be using them on the trailers, if anything. Let me leave this here for now. Let me try to take that out. I think you could pry them apart. Let me just use a pair of vice grips, see if they come out. I'm actually going to probably use them without this cotter pin type thing. Yeah, you just pull it out, it comes right out. So it should be easy to put back if you want to. Cool. I like them. They'll be strong enough. I have like a connection between 2 cards, and these will work perfect for that. All right, so that was the look at the product. Link is below, info is below. I hope you liked the video. I hope it helped.